for today's video, we are back in my bathroom. Let me turn off the AC. Hold on. For this video, we're back in my bathroom. I hope you can see. I hope this works. I really do. Okay, so we're back in my bathroom. If you're one of my OG subscribers, then you know this setup. What we're going to be doing is a get ready with me chit chat quick weave or pronto weave. The last time I did one of this, you couldn't really see the back of what I was doing, so I'm going to try to do it again. This time I'm going to be using the nature bundles. I did a review on this video already. If you want to see it, I'll leave a little link thingy up top of the video of this video here so you can watch that review. I actually have a 70s party to go to. Let me actually start. I have a 70s party to go to on Thursday. So I'm like, I want like Cher inspired hair. So that's why I went with this, because it's literally only, you know, for this week, and then I'll probably take it out when I wash my hair and stuff. So I didn't want to make another wig with this hair, and I figure, you know what, a video would be dope to do this. Which one is the 28 inch? Oh gosh. See, now this, it's not numbered. Is this the 28? I think this is the 28. Yeah, it's 24, 26, and 28 inches. Yeah, so the first one is the 28 on the top. Alright. So this is the hair. I got it in a 1B. I am leaving out a center part. This length does not come with a closure, which if you guys watched the previous video, you would already know that. So last night I prepped my hair by braiding it down. I think I have like 5 or 6 braids going straight back. I sewed a stocking cap down on my head. Let me turn so you can see it. Sewed a stocking cap down, and then I used the Roberts Bond Glue Protect solution. Roberts Diamond Bond, whatever it's called. I'll leave a link in the description bar if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. That's what I put on there, and then I just let it dry from the night before so that I could just do this as quickly as possible. So right now I'm just unraveling the hair, and the wefts are very, very thin. Oh, but it's long. It's so long. Alright, so here we go. I really hope this is working and I'm not like blocking anything. So the first thing I do is measure from the back. And then as you can see, the back of my hair, like my nape, it comes like way down here, and I don't want any glue to touch this. So I'm just going to start from like here, and I'm going to measure going all the way up to like my not my temples, but like right above my ears. So like from under here, here to here, and then just cut that. I really want to play some music right now. I wonder if I can, and then just like edit it a certain way. I don't know. Sure. The bonding glue that I'm using is the Salon Pro 30-second glue. That's if it's even still good, because I've had this glue for a minute now. Oh, there we go. So just putting the glue on the track. Can you see that? Wait. Focus. No, you can't see that. Alright, so I'm just putting the glue on the track, because the camera is trying to focus on my face. Gluing on the track. Okay, and then like I said, this goes from ear to ear, or like right above my ears. So there. Let me turn around. There, 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 all the way up to, oh, I think I made this one way too long. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna, because the tracks are so friggin' thin, Jesus, I don't even know if this shit's gonna hold. Alright, where's my blow dryer? I have my blow dryer here, so I'm just gonna quickly, oh my gosh, I can't even do it because I don't have enough sockets. Damn it, just not thought out. All right, so I just held it there for a little bit. Okay. That's the first track. First track is on there. Okay? Okay. And that's how long the hair is. This hair is really, really, really pretty. But like I said in the previous video, it kind of tangles a bit. I'm actually going to try to straighten this hair and see what happens. Alright. So you're just going to put the next track right above that track. So, Lego. And then like I said, this hair is for a 70s party. A friend of mine, it's her 30th birthday. So she's doing a 70s theme. Did I say, what did I just say? It's her 30th birthday and she's doing a 70s themed party, even though she was born in 88. Yeah, because I feel like for our generation, when we think of 30, we're thinking the 70s, you know? Yeah. But it's cool. I got my dress. Am I in focus? I got my dress I ordered my dress last night from Fashion Nova, and I did the 2-day shipping thing. So hopefully it gets here in 2 days. I was not intending on ordering from Fashion Nova. I wanted to go to either Forever 21 or Closet Envy, maybe. I was also looking at a couple other local boutiques, but because I'm so last minute and Fashion Nova had that 2-day shipping thing, I was like, all right, let me chance it with them. And then if it doesn't come in the 2 days, which would be either Wednesday or Thursday, then I guess I'll just have to go somewhere and find something. But the dress that I got, like, I low-key wanted like a red carpet look. So that's what I'm kind of going for with the dress that I bought. Let me turn. Can you see? Focus. This kind of helps me out too because I can see what I'm doing in the back. Usually I cannot see shit and then my track's just like all over the place. So you're just gonna hold it because my blow dryer isn't going to work right now. So I'm just gonna hold it for a little bit, like maybe a couple seconds or so. And yeah, and I did put the glue solution all the way up past the stocking cap that you're seeing there. So wherever I'm putting the tracks right here on the end, it's not going to pull my hair out. I'm really hoping I can finish this in like an hour. What time is it? 10:24. Jeez Louise. Alright. That's track number 2. And again, right above that, we're just going to continue going up. I should put this in a hair tie so that it's not like in my way. Y'all see how long my leave out is now? Jeez, look at that. That growth. And I think I left out too much hair too. I could have left out way, way, way less hair. I'll probably put a track in between it because it's not going to be that much glue if I do it in between, since I already have the glue protection on the rest of my head. So I might put a track in between my own hair, and so that it blends a little bit better. All right. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. I didn't even look in the back to see if it was where it needed to be. See, that's why you gotta have a mirror in the back, because I promise you, I did that one way too close to the other track. But right now I'm about at my temples, and I really do think I should have put, oh, I have clips. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna just play some music now and speed through the rest of this because y'all pretty much got the gist, right? And I know it's supposed to be like a chit chat, but I've nothing to talk to them about. So let's just speed through this video, shall we? Let's. You got a baby band. High school pics, you was even bad then. Oh my God, it's why the producer. Another reason why I love doing quick weaves too is because it just lays so flat. So nice. That cash. Now you won't have to call me, cause I'm making that message to on. I'm gonna give it right now. Now. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in this block. You gon' be hot, nigga, coffee. You gon' be sick, be on the stomach. Maybe when you free, when they punch it. Emergency, call me 911. Damn, why you do the beats like that? So good, pussy so good. If I could quit my job and fuck you all this shit, I would, yeah, I would. Yeah, I would. If I could quit my job and fuck you all this shit, I would. Cause if she ever disrespect, I have to fight that bitch. You know that beast so bum. Wait. Okay, let me pause that. So for where I'm at right now, I think I'm gonna start going just across like this and then come back into the U shape. That's what we're about to do. So this is the last of the 26" right here. So that's what we're gonna start with on there. Okay. And then turn to the back and put it. I can't. My hand in the way. My hand in the way. I can't see what I'm doing. All right. I'm like blocking my own self right now. All right. Straight across like that. I hope I did it because I can't see anything. So yeah. Straight across and back to the music. Wait. All right. It's from my exes when they want. It's from my exes when they. It's from my exes when they. It's from my exes. It's from my exes. All the rich niggas want her. Want her. All the rich niggas want her. It's from my exes. Damn. It's from my exes. So I think I'm far enough up, so I'm gonna continue doing the U shape going around my head now. It looks like I might have a I'm not gonna jinx it. I'm not gonna say what I'm supposed to say. So let's just continue. All right, so back to measuring around and around. You don't hear my I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how it tastes. Oh my God, it's why the producer. Okay, so I'm almost done, right? And it's been less than an hour. Okay, so because I did my part kind of deep. I really hope it's deep enough because I haven't done something like this in a while. But because the hair right here is like, oh, let me see if I turn this way. You see it's like already up to my part. I'm not going to go around anymore. I'm just going to fill in the sides right here, like right there, which is probably like 2 tracks right there on each side. And then we're going to press out the top of my hair and boom, bam, we're done. Yeah. But let me just fix this because I really don't want my ends to get caught in this glue. But I think it's looking cute so far. And like I said, with the quick weave, your hair look like it leaves your hair looking so flat and flawless. You know? Yeah. All right, back to the music.
Now you won't have to call me, cause I'm making expensive to stay on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in this block. You gon' be hot, nigga, coffee. You gon' be sick to your stomach.
Guess what, bitch? We're done. Alright, so I'm about to plug in my flat iron to straighten out my leave out, but the hair is pretty much done, and it's now like literally less than an hour it took me to do this. What I will say to cut on time, if you're like me, is to prep your hair from the night before. So braid your hair down, put on your stocking cap, put on your Glue Protect solution, and let it just dry. That way you don't have to be standing there with a blow dryer or sitting under a dryer either, waiting for it to dry, you know? So yeah, if I do decide to do another quick weave, this is definitely how I'm going to do it. That's what my edges look like. All right. And again, I do have the Glue Protect solution on my edges, and then to take it off, I'm just literally going to stand under the shower and just let it, like, you know, no, I have to cut the, I'll figure it out. All right, so this is my leave out here, and I probably should have gotten a number 2 because my hair is not this dark. I'm probably gonna have to put whatchamacallit on there. Should I put the track in between my hair? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a track in between each side right here, because this is a lot to leave out. So what I'm gonna do before that though is put some of this. Is it still recording? Good. I'm gonna put some of this Hask argan oil on there. Just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. Actually, I'll just put on the whole thing right now. So 1 pump is literally all I did, and I'm going to put that on all of my leave out. And this acts as a heat protectant. It also helps to keep the hair straight and frizz free. And you can use this on your weave as well. Maybe I'll do it if I choose to straighten this hair. But this hair is super pretty, and I do have hair left over, like a lot of hair, like a lot of hair. Like all of this is hair unused that won't fit on my head. If I was making a wig, I would definitely use all of the hair, but which is what I did the last time. I think I had like a tiny bit left over. So yeah. So let me think I'm gonna straighten it first and then put the track on there so that it's nice and warm when the glue touches it. I'm using my Chi flat iron. And I'll do like 4 taps on the roots and then come down. That's 2 passes. I think 2 passes is good. And then again, remember I do have my hair that ombre color, so the brown that you're seeing is from the color that I did. All right. Oof, this hair is all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna put a track in between, like I just literally just said. So we measure, cut, apply the adhesive. Gotta make sure it's still recording. And then what you could do too is warm up the track itself. But because I warmed up my hair, it should be fine. All right, that is that. All right. So that's on there, blending in between. Okay. I should probably get a comb, huh? Let's do the other.
Damn, why you drop the beats like that?
And I'm now officially 5 months post, well, more than 5 months post, because I usually do relax my hair usually around the first week of the month. So about 5.5 months post relaxer. Yeah. Actually, you notice I pressed this side a little bit less than I did the other side, because this is less hair on this side than on this side, for whatever reason. Hold it, and again, you can use your flat iron just to make it, like, hold it like that on there so that it does it quicker. Excuse me, I'm actually hungry now. You know what I had this morning? Water. That's all I had this morning. You know what kind of life I live in, yo. I do need a comb though to make this part straight. Let me get a comb. Bust down the middle. Perfect. And because the tracks are so thin, you can leave out a lot less hair, because you won't have that bulkiness of the tracks, you know, like trying to poke out. They're just thin and flat and just lay perfectly. And again, because you're bonding it, you don't have to leave out a lot of hair either, because you don't have the thread making it like super bulky. Yo, my mirror is so low, bro. So low. My mirror's for short people. I can hardly see the top of my head, yo. Alright. Did I do this part good? Nope, I so did not do that part good at all. Alright. And then what I'm going to do to avoid having to put heat on my hair every single day to blend, I'm just going to tie it down at nighttime so it stays nice and flat. But that's it, folks. Let's see what the top looking like. Comb that. See, I'm probably gonna get like black edge control, just so it blends it. Bunnies, so this is the end of the video. My battery actually died, so I had to like switch batteries just now. But beyond the point, my hair is done. You guys saw everything that I did. The only thing you didn't see was that I took my boar bristle brush and just brushed everything down. I'm going to take a little bit more of the argan oil just to kind of, you know, seal and gloss up the top part here. But that is it, my updated Pronto Weave get ready with me video. And again, this is the Nature Bundles in lengths 24, 26, and 28 inches. I've already experienced some shedding because again, yes, I did cut the tracks as you saw in the video, and it's not 100% human hair, so there is going to be, you know, some defects with it, but the hair is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I low-key look like Cousin It, Morticia, Cher all in one, but I love it. I don't care, and my hair blended pretty well for it being a 1B, you know. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below and I'll address it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.